Well, hey there. My name's Joel and I'm sitting on my new favorite shop seat. It's called the Traxion Mobile Gear seat and it's got some really comfortable styling. It's got all sorts of adjustments. It's got a tool tray and it's got five-inch casters along the bottom. And here's why I absolutely love it. A couple years back, I started to develop back problems. And most of those problems were from doing this in the shop. Bending down, getting in underneath cars and putting things together. And this seat has saved my back in so many ways. It changes my posture in the shop, it gives me mobility, and it allows me to assemble things, be down in what I would normally be in a hands and knees position for hours without getting that back pain. Not to mention, I've got a cool place to store my tools. Each seat has a tray underneath that you can store your tools that rotates. So you can see here, I've got like my X-Acto knife, I've got my socket set, I've got a few pairs of pliers, and it's even got different sections in it. So if you're assembling like I do, you're assembling something like a bike or you're working on a piece of your car, there's a smaller section of the tray right here that you can throw your parts and pieces in, because who hasn't taken a bolt out, set it somewhere, and couldn't find it later? Super annoying. So this tray is a lifesaver, and the fact that it rotates is even better. These wheels are super smooth. They allow me to glide around the shop, and the seat has a pretty good range for height adjustment. You can go from where I'm at now all the way up down to about here. My guess is you probably get 6 to 8 inches of play. And then when you're done, just pull the same lever, take the pressure off, and you're back up to the top. And I really like the race styling on this. There's a nice handle on the back, so you can grab this seat and maneuver it wherever you need it to go. And in general, it just looks like a racing seat. Now, it comes in a variety of colors. So obviously this is red. I would call this racing red. And I've got another one right over here that I want to show you as well that you might be interested in. That's right. We've also got pink, and they've got an array of colors. These are just 2 options that I saw on their website, and the same functionality. In fact, this pink seat has almost like a carbon fiber texture on it, a little different than the red seat. It's got a black tray, and the real key to functionality for these chairs are the wheels underneath. I mentioned them before, but it's 5-inch casters. They're a hard plastic, so they're not gonna go flat on you. They roll really smooth on a shop or garage floor. They just make it easy to get in and out, and because there's 5 of them, you're always stable. They're 5-inch casters, so they're large wheels. Things don't get stuck underneath them really easily. It's a really good design. It's really simple, and installation is really quick. I mean, 5 to 7 minutes. All you do, grab a socket set, bolt on the 5 wheels to the frame, and stick everything on, just gravity from the top, and you're done. It's really simple. So I appreciate a simple product like this that makes my life a lot better in the shop. It makes work a lot more simple, and it makes me more efficient. My movements are just easier when I'm on these chairs. Working on a bike? No problem. I'm right here. I can pump up the tire, check the lugs, do something else, and then I'm gone. Working on trailer wiring, I can do that too, and when I'm done, I'm gone. And here's a big one for me in the warehouse: unboxing products, taking all the little pieces and parts out, keeping them accounted for, and making sure I don't kill myself in the process due to back pain. This is huge. I can roll around, I can grab things out of here, I can take things off, I can go over here, and I can do it all while sitting in my favorite chair. It's just perfect. So again, if you're like me, if you're a mechanic, if you're a tinkerer, if you're a garage guy or gal, do yourself a favor. Get yourself a Traxion mobile rolling gear seat. You can keep track of your bum, keep it off the ground, keep all your tools and your parts with you, and do it all in comfort and style. I've really loved mine, and I couldn't recommend it any more highly, because it's elevated the way I move around the shop, the way I put things together, and the enjoyment I find in doing all the things that I really love. So check it out for yourself. I really think you're gonna like it.